history and connection with viruses and bacterial illnesses have been very challenging for our communities. They've killed a lot of who our ancestors were, our children. They've isolated us. They've put us in hospitals where we couldn't leave for decades, and sometimes people have spent their entire life in those institutions. The idea of being called an elder means you have knowledge. And it's important that we recognize it's not just about losing old people, it's actually losing the foundation of where we come from. And the foundation of our elders builds not only just our health, it builds our governance, it builds our laws, it builds our community, that everything really lies on those people we identify as elders. We're aware that it can be transmitted even when you're not sick. So the best thing to do is prevention, washing hands, and recognizing that it's okay to reach out. And when you reach out, you'll get more support than if you were just at home worrying. Because when you're at home by yourself, you don't get that support that's really in our teachings from that helping each other. And that becomes what we want to do. And nobody will harm you for getting tested. Shouldn't be looked at as a bad thing. It should be looked as you wanting to protect children, protect elders, protect your own family members to make sure that you're safe. It's gathering in a good way. And this word is thrown aloud. What does that mean when you say you do things in a good way? It means it comes from good intent within your heart. It comes from good intent that what you're doing is done in a mindful way of protecting other people. It's not done in a way where you're going just to be there, but you're being mindful of where you are. You're being mindful of the situation that you're going into, the space that you're going to be occupying, and recognizing, is there a place for me at this time? Though it seems dark and although it seems, anxiety provoking and scary, if we just continue to work together and we continue to support each other and identify where we need help, we will then in the end be able to be there for each other. We will be able to see, those moccasins in the snow, because we're going to continue to be here. And that's what we need to recognize, that kindness, working together and identifying where we need help and when we need help will help us remain strong.